Good morning, friends. Today I will trying to show you how to programming clone iPhone XR Emmc file. How to programming by UFI Box. So let's start it. We are how to work. So you are going to UFI Emmc toolbox. Just opening. We already inserted inside the box Emmc IC. Now we are just doing programming. It will take some more time for opening the toolbox. You can see already opening our toolbox. So first of all, I will go to the identify eMMC. Our eMMC is very good. There is no problem. Already have eMMC file. You can see the iPhone XR file already available. But this file is not properly maybe corrupted. That's why the phone is not turned on. So we are reinstalling again all the files. So first of all, I will check the Nand test. Nand test means we can check it out the eMMC is good or not, and all the partition. You can come my right hand of side. All the files is saying verified successfully. That means the eMMC is very good, and this eMMC, if I will program, then mobile can be switched on properly. So again we are come back to factory reset. We just factory reset. I mean, whatever inside that eMMC, it will be everything will be erased. It's already erased. You can see it's already erased. So again identify eMMC. It's fine. Now again I will go to the erase option. I just erase all the partition. I mean, inside the mobile have 3 partition. I mean, inside the eMMC, boot 1, boot 2 and user area. You can see all are already deleted, erasing, you can see. So again identify eMMC. Now I will programming all the file. I will drop down here. I just double click here. It will take some more time. So we are going our hard disk. Where is the file available? This is the iPhone X file, eMMC file. So this is the external card. You can see external card. This is the user area. This is the user area. This is boot 1. One by one, step by step we are doing. this is the boot 1, and last this one boot 2. RPM file no need because it's enough. So all the files we already put it. Now I have to just put the option in right, and it will be starting for programming. You can see boot file already, boot 1 and boot 2 already pasted. Now going on user area, this is the main option, main partition of MMC. Inside the user area, all the files, everything important files is inside the user area. So it will take near about 20 minutes. You can see this area, 20 minutes it will take time. So I cannot continue this video for 20 minutes, but you can see same like this it will be take. I will not do anything again. It's finished. After finish, it will automatically stop. So thank you very much for watching this video, and who wants to learn about chip level technician and UFI box related any questions you have, anything, you can comments below. If you like this kind of video and if you need this kind of video more in future, then must subscribe my channel, and also I will say to share this video to all other technicians who are want to learn about chip level. So thank you very much.